Air conditioning is working well. The windows are all operational, and the rest of the interior looks good as well. Wiper blades are broken, the driver's side headlight is burnt out, and it looks like the passenger side taillight has a crack in it. The paint is a bit sun faded. There are a couple of dents and some window chips on the car. Everything under the hood looks good, except for this oil leak. Everything related to the starting and charging system is good. The brakes look good, with the front and rear pads at 4mm. The steering and suspension systems are all good to go. Under the vehicle, there's an oil leak and a coolant leak.